everyone, welcome to Speak Lux. Let's work on our vocabulary through newspaper reading. Today I have covered 3 different articles from 3 different newspapers. So let's start with the first news, and that is PM doubles down on anti-Kong pitch, claims it will seize and redistribute wealth. Now first let me jot down the statement. Now to understand the statement better, let's take an example. Imagine you have a big bag of candy that you want to share with your friends. But instead of giving everyone equally, one friend keeps taking more than his fair share. Now, if you decide to step in and make sure that everyone gets an equal amount, that's kind of what the Prime Minister is talking about. When Prime Minister talks about doubling down on anti-Kong pitch, it means he is reinforcing his stance against Congress party, which is probably accused of unfair practices regarding wealth distribution. Now, Prime Minister claims that Congress party will seize people's wealth and the party will redistribute it among people. Now, what do you mean by doubles down? What do you mean by seize? Let's understand each word one by one. Now, first, PM means Prime Minister, the head of the government. Doubles down means more stronger or more serious about something. So, Prime Minister doubles down on anti-Kong pitch means they are more serious about anti-Congress pitch. Now, what do you mean by pitch and anti-Congress? Doubles down means more stronger and more serious about something. So when your claim is more stronger about something, then you can use this phrase, that is doubles down. Let's see sentences. Despite the setback, the team decided to double down on their efforts to meet the project deadline. टीम के पास सेटबैक नहीं था, लेकिन फिर भी उन्होंने अपने एफर्ट्स के ऊपर और भी ज्यादा काम किया. डबल्स डाउन ऑन देयर एफर्ट्स मींस वो अपने एफर्ट्स को लेके और भी ज्यादा स्ट्रांग हो गए ताकि वो अपने प्रोजेक्ट को डेडलाइन से पहले फिनिश कर सके. सो डबल्स डाउन व्हेन समबडी हैज मोर स्ट्रॉन्गर ओपिनियन अबाउट समथिंग. लेट्स सी वन मोर सेंटेंस. After receiving criticism for his proposal, the CEO doubled down on his vision for the company's future. Now, जब CEO को क्रिटिसिज्म मिला किसी प्रपोजल के रिगार्डिंग, तब वो अपने विजन को लेके और स्ट्रांग हो गया. उसने ये डिसाइड किया कि वो कंपनी के फ्यूचर के लिए और अच्छे से काम करेगा. जब उसको क्रिटिसिज्म मिला तो उसने अपने विजन को और भी स्ट्रांग कर लिया. ओके, डबल्स डाउन. नेक्स्ट इज एंटी कॉन्ग. एंटी मीन्स अगेंस्ट, नॉट लाइकिंग और डिसएग्रीइंग व्हाट इज कांग्रेस सेइंग. कॉन्ग इज द शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑफ कांग्रेस. Next is pitch. Pitch means the message or the idea Prime Minister talking about. So anti-Kong pitch, जो मैसेज जो है वो कांग्रेस ने दिया था उसके PM खिलाफ है, एंटी है. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्लेम्स मीन्स से समथिंग, उन्होंने कुछ बोला है. सीज मीन्स टेक्स कंट्रोल और ग्रैब समथिंग फोर्सफुली, किसी चीज को फोर्सफुली ले लेना. सो PM ने बोला है कि अगर कांग्रेस पार्टी जीत गई तो वो क्या करेगी, वो लोगों की जो मनी है, उनकी जो वेल्थ है वो फोर्सफुली ले लेगी और लेके क्या करेगी, रीडिस्ट्रीब्यूट. फिर उसी को ही वो आगे लोगों में रीडिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर देगी. रीडिस्ट्रीब्यूट मीन्स शेयर थिंग्स अगेन, दोबारा से किसी चीज को शेयर करना, दैट इज redistribute. And wealth means money. It could be in the form of property. So any materialistic thing is the wealth. I hope these vocabulary words are clear to you. Let's move towards the next headline. Now this headline was published in the Times of India. And let's read the headline first. Kong moves EC on PM speech. BJP says calling spade a spade. Spade a spade is a idiom. Now, how we can use this idiom into a journal language? Let's see. Spade a spade is an idiomatic expression. So, this is an idiom. That means that speaking directly, or it refers to being honest or straightforward, even if the truth might be uncomfortable or unpleasant. So simply किसी के मुंह पे कोई भी बात बोल देना, इसकी परवाह नहीं करनी कि अगला जो है वो क्या सोचेगा. आपने सिर्फ अपना ट्रुथ बोलना है, आपने सच्चाई बोलनी है. सो दैट इज स्पेड अ स्पेड. किसी की बैक बाइटिंग नहीं करनी, किसी के पीठ में कुछ नहीं बोलना, बल्कि सामने ही उसको जो बोलना है वो बोल देना. दैट इज स्पेड अ स्पेड. I'm not at all secretive and I'm pretty good at calling spade a spade. Now मैं बिल्कुल भी secretive नहीं हूँ और मैं किसी के सामने straight forward बात करने में बहुत ही अच्छी हूँ. So I'm a spade a spade. One more sentence. That dress made her look fat. Let's call a spade before she goes out wearing it and embarrasses herself. नाउ ये जो ड्रेस इसने डाली हुई है इसमें ये बहुत ही मोटी लग रही है. सो चलो उसको जाके सीधे बता देते हैं इससे पहले कि वो ड्रेस पाके बाहर चली जाए और उसको एम्बैरेसमेंट फील हो. सो स्पेड मीन्स डायरेक्टली किसी को कोई बात बोलना और स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड जो है वो बात करना इंस्टेड ऑफ थिंकिंग अबाउट व्हाट द अदर पर्सन मे थिंक अबाउट यू. Alright, next move towards the next news, and that was published in Financial Express. So the news is the Tata Electronics prepares ground for high-end chips. Now Tata Electronics is getting ready to make advanced computer chips. Now these chips are really important for things like smartphones, computers and other electronic gadgets. By saying prepares ground, this means they are doing all the necessary work to start making these chips. It involves setting up factories, getting the right equipment, hiring skilled workers and so on. Basically, they are getting everything ready so they can start making these high quality chips. Alright, so from this headline, which word is more important for vocabulary, and that is prepares ground. Let's understand this into detail. Tata Electronics, they are talking about Tata Group. Prepares ground. This means that they are getting ready or setting things up for something. किसी चीज के लिए तैयारी करना so that हम वो चीज कर सके. So prepares ground. Example, it's like preparing the soil before planting seeds in the garden. High-end chips, these are the tiny components that are the brains of devices like smartphones, computers and other gadgets. So this statement means Tata Electronics is getting everything ready to start making really good quality electronic chips, and they are laying the groundwork for this new venture. Alright, I hope these three statements are clear to you. And if you like this video, then please also drop your opinions and suggestions. This is Komal signing off. Meet you with the new video. Till then, enjoy your learning. Have a nice day and bye-bye.